Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor is not working on your ALCATEL 3 2019. If the fingerprint sensor is not working, the first thing you may want to make sure of is that it's clean. You could try cleaning it with a microfiber cloth. It's this right here. Alternatively, you could also try to make sure that your own fingers are clean when you're trying to use it. But if despite all of that it still doesn't work, you can go into Settings, Security and Location, Fingerprint Sensor, then Manage Fingerprints. And if your fingerprint doesn't work to unlock your device, you can make sure that this setting, Unlock Device, is turned on, because if it's not, then you won't be able to, of course, use it to unlock your device, as you can see. Unless you, of course, select a given fingerprint to be able to do that. But look, you can try scanning your finger on the sensor to see if it detects any of the fingerprints here as yours. They'll light up, as you can see. But if none of them do, you could try, of course, deleting them and trying to add them again. Try putting it at different angles, different parts of your finger, though because of the location of the sensor, some angles may be a bit tricky to put your finger at. And after adding your fingerprint anew, you can try again. But if none of those things do, the first thing you may want to consider would be to simply restart your phone, press and hold the power button, restart, and then confirm. If after the restart you won't be able to use your fingerprint, then take into account the fact that after startup you usually can't use your fingerprint during the first opening of your phone, so you will have to use your pattern, but afterwards you should be able to use your fingerprint. I'll show you what I mean. Let's wait a bit for it to start back up. After the startup, as you may see, you can't use the fingerprint after restart, as it says the pattern is required, or if you have a pin, then the pin will be required. Just use the pattern, then afterwards you should be able to use your fingerprint to start your phone up. If, however, none of these things work, you could potentially try checking for system updates. Do so in Settings, System Updates, and then check for updates now. But it's unlikely you'll find anything, as the last update has been quite a long time ago. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.